Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Ring doorbell has a blue light that keeps blinking and you're unsure what it means, you're not alone. Depending on the blinking pattern, the Ring doorbell may be charging, connecting to Wi Fi, updating software, or experiencing a temporary communication issue. In some situations, the light pattern can continue longer than expected, leaving you wondering whether something is wrong. Before assuming the device is faulty, there are several things worth checking that may help the Ring doorbell return to normal operation. In this video, I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps you can try. Try these. Step 1. Observe the blue light pattern shown by the Ring doorbell. Step 2. Check the battery or power source connected to the Ring doorbell. Step 3. Verify that the Ring doorbell has a stable Wi Fi connection. Step 4. Allow the Ring doorbell enough time to complete updates or startup tasks. Step 5. Restart the Ring doorbell to refresh its connection. Step 6. Open the Ring app and confirm the Ring doorbell is functioning normally.